take a look. This is so pretty. It's the hydration for me. I'm giving you guys a fair warning. These are amazing. You're gonna want to go back for more. So just go ahead and check them out for yourself. Hey friends, welcome to my channel. My name is gabrielleishell and thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm so excited to be sharing with you this small Black owned business. It is a beauty brand and I am just so thrilled that they wanted to work with me. They sent me some lip products to try out, so I'll be unboxing those today for you and also trying them on. They're called Deux Lunes Beauty and they are a vegan, cruelty-free makeup brand that specializes in organic products, so they are very clean and I love that. In addition to them being Black owned, they are women owned, and that is the icing on the cake. With their brand, the owners Saren and Gina wish to empower women with confidence, one vegan lip product at a time. So I really love that. Now let's check out their website a little bit. Deux Lunes translates to two moons, so there's a meaning, a reason behind the name of their brand. The founder and CEO of Deux Lunes, Saren, very much wanted something of her own. The concept of confidence and knowing yourself, strengths, and supporting others and doing the same is what had her focus on the beauty industry. Saren connected with her longtime friend Gina, creative director and product development at Deux Lunes, who has a passion for makeup and connects to the target audience to curate these amazing products. And they are beautiful. Look at the picture. Yes. Black queens. Let's look at some of the products they have to offer. Lunar, Harvest Moon, Twilight, Venus, Moonbeam, Psyche. I love the names of these products. I love that they call their customers and supporters star beauties. It all makes sense when you go back to like their story and the meaning behind the name of the brand. It clicks. It makes sense. So let's go ahead and unbox or unbag what they sent me. So it came in this really cute gold packaging. I love that. Packaging is important, guys. Packaging is so important. These are the products here. Pretty. And then they also have like a little card here and it has their pictures on it. Love this. Love this. And then on the back it says, "Hi Star Beauty, thank you for your purchase. Can't wait to see how it looks on you." And it has their Instagram, which is at Deux Lunes Beauty. Their Facebook is the same. The website is www.deuxlunesbeauty.com, and I'll be leaving all of that information down in the description box below. But yes, okay, and then it says, "Until next time, stay gorgeous." And I love this. I love this. And then they also sent a compact mirror. Very convenient if I want to apply my lipstick on the go, and I actually needed one of these. So this is their brand, Deux Lunes Beauty, and then just a simple mirror. So cool. This one is Psyche, and it's the lighter color of the two shades that I got, like a mauve pink color. On the side it says it's natural, organic lipstick, it's vegan and gluten-free. And I absolutely love that. So let's open it and take a look at this color. It is so pretty. So pretty. So I went ahead and lined my lips. And I'm just going to apply lipstick. It's very soft. This color is beautiful. I absolutely love this color. It is beautiful. Just take a look. This lipstick is amazing. It is very soft and creamy. It really glided on my lips. No problem. The application was very smooth and very easy, and I love that. And I love the shade. It is so beautiful and it looks really good on my skin. This is also supposed to be a long wearing lipstick, so I want to do a wear test to see how long it actually stays on my lips. I'm really excited to check that out, but I love everything else about it so far. It's beautiful. It's after applying this one, I know the other one is going to be bomb as well. I'm excited, guys. Now I'm going to go ahead and add this Eclipse lip gloss on top of this. It smells pretty good. The Eclipse lip gloss is a beautiful rosy nude pink, and this shade will look good on any complexion. My go-to lip gloss is always a nude sheer pink color. I would definitely be grabbing this for my day-to-day looks. That I don't want to do too much, but I just want to put a little bit of lip gloss on there, have a little bit of color. This is also very creamy. I love that this lip gloss is so hydrating. It is not sticky. You know how a lot of lip glosses are very sticky, like, and when you go like this to purse your lips kind of stick together. This one does not. This is very hydrating and it goes on so smooth. You can layer this lip gloss on top of your favorite lipstick like I did here, or you can wear it on its own like this. This, oh my god, it's so amazing. On its own, it's even hydrating. It's the hydration for me, really. Like, this is really hydrating. I can't tell y'all how many times I've had a lip gloss that was sticky that just feels so weird going onto your lips, and you have to layer it on top of something else to make it feel comfortable. This, you don't need anything with it. There's nothing under here. And it has that color. There's literally nothing underneath this lip gloss. It's very creamy and I absolutely love that. Once again, this is the Deux Lunes lip gloss in the shade Eclipse, and I'm loving this. Yes. Okay, so I went ahead and used this lip liner to line my lips. I also like to fill in my lips when I do it. Let me know in the comments below if you just do the perimeter of your lips when you use your lip liner, or do you also fill it in? Or I've seen some, I've actually done it like this too, where you only fill in like up to here, and then there's different ways you can line your lips. Let me know how you do it in the comments below. Anyways, I have this Moonbeam shade here, and it's a deep maroon. I love a deep red, plum, burgundy in the freaking fall time. So I'm excited to use this. Purple is my favorite color, so yes, I'm looking forward to seeing how this looks on my lip. Once again, it's going on very smoothly. I love this shade. It's so beautiful, and like I said before, it is the perfect shade for the fall. It's a deep maroon color, and that is definitely giving fall vibes. So yes, I love it. And just like the other shade that I tried on, the Moonbeam is very, very hydrating. It goes on very smooth and creamy. Oh, I love it. All of these products that I tried on are amazing. I'm really impressed with the lip products that I received from Deux Lunes Beauty. They're all very creamy, hydrating, moisturizing, and you don't really find that on a lot of other brands. I love that the lip gloss glided so smoothly on my lips, and it didn't have that formula that makes it seem all gooey and sticky. So guys, y'all, check them out. I will be leaving their Instagram page, their Facebook, I believe, and their website link in my description box below. So go ahead and check them out. Tell them I sent you, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed using these, and I'm so excited to be adding them to my collection and using them in the fall time, because y'all, these shades are perfect for the fall. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share this video out to all of your friends, because these products are amazing and they are definitely worth sharing. So get the word out about Deux Lunes Beauty and their organic, vegan, cruelty-free lip products. Amazing. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever I post. And until my next one, I will see you guys later. Bye!